Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, cooking up in Dallas, Texas. What's up with it, y'all? We cooking it up, y'all. Wait. Oh, yeah, it's smelling good. Pour these eggs up in this thing, y'all. Uh-huh. It's going down. Oh, yeah, that's on point. That's on point right here, y'all. Do you hear me? Smelling good, isn't it? Yes, sir. Go ahead, got them eggs. Ooh, this thing, y'all. Ooh, these eggs. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, they seasoned too, y'all. Whoa. Mm-hmm. Some of these, you gotta put them in the middle, y'all. Uh-huh. Uh, Make sure they don't run away. Mm-hmm. Right there in the middle, y'all. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's going down, y'all. Yeah. Good morning, y'all. Making some breakfast tacos, y'all. Yeah. Uh-huh. That's all I'm doing, y'all. Yeah, there you go. That's how you do it. Mhm. Check it out, y'all. 'Cause it's showtime. Breakfast tacos. Yeah. Fold it in there. You know what I'm saying? Fold it in there. Yeah. It's going down, y'all. Good morning, good morning. Breakfast tacos. Do you hear me? Chill. Everybody having a blessed morning. Good morning, good morning. What's up with y'all? Breakfast tacos in your face. Breakfast tacos in your face. Chill. Uh-huh. Yeah. Just like that, y'all. Fold it. Mhm. How you do it, y'all? Yeah, dog. I know. Mhm. Make a mess. Put the rest right in the middle. And it just kind of get, yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Put the rest on there, y'all. Then go get that cheese on it, y'all. Oh, man, it's done deal, then. It's done deal. It's done deal. Do you hear me? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Them good sausage, y'all. Them eggs. Oh, man, it's going down. Oh, it's going down, y'all. Get up in them sausage. Yeah, going down, y'all. Look at this. Ooh-wee. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. That's amazing. Woo. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. That in the middle. All that flavor, y'all. Restaurant in the middle. Rinse it around. Now go get the cheese, y'all. Boop, there it is. Cheese. Smelling good, y'all. Ooh-wee. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's it right there. Do it like that. Mm-hmm. Chop, 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 chop. Mm-hmm. That's what I'm talking about, y'all.